If the rumors are true, Apple is planning to start assembling its premium iPhone X series in India. It is said that Taiwanese manufacturer Foxconn will be manufacturing the latest iPhone X series in India starting in 2019. Reuters confirmed that Taiwanese supplier and contractor will use its plant in Sriperumbudur, a town in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. The state's industrial minister, MC Sampath, said that plant is already used for making Xiaomi phones. But Foxconn will invest $356 million in expanding the product line to meet the orders by Apple. Such a huge investment may create as many as 25,000 jobs in the region. The plant named Project Fruit has been under work for over a year as per a person closely involved in the project. Moreover, the sources in the state suggest that the announcement might take place on January 24th during the second global investor meet stated to be held in January. Up until now, Apple's partner, Wistron Corp, has been assembling the iPhone SE and iPhone 6s in Bengaluru. The Cupertino company has a marginal market share in the country. Where users are focused on lower-end devices, more than half of the sales are models older than iPhone 8, launched in September 2017. With this big move, Apple is targeting to offer value for money proposition to price-sensitive Indian market who is tilted more towards these devices. Foxconn and Apple have neither confirmed nor denied these reports as of now. If the reports are true, we might see a reduced cost of iPhone X variants in India. It may also help Apple to strengthen their position in the world's fastest growing smartphone market. That's all we know about this as of now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. To continue watching more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.